Hi guys, trying to tidy up my workroom. Found this, I was going to throw it out and I was looking at it. It's a rubber band powered outboard motor. Rubber band in there, a few gears there, turns this propeller here. And originally it sat on top of a toy boat hull. I would have driven it forwards. I've also got this toy boat, which I've used for various projects. Got holes in it. So I'm going to hot glue that on the bottom of there and run it round the bath, or in the bath. I did notice I got that propeller the wrong way round. The front of the propeller is that flat end. So I'll see if I can get it off and turn it round. And then, as I say, we'll hot glue that on there and see whether it works. One bit of hot glue later, in place. Put some rubber bands on there. I need to wind it up that direction. Yeah. We'll go and run some water in the bath and see if we can do the length of the bath. I seem to remember it worked okay. I'll put a link in the video description to the original build video. Yeah, we'll have a go. In the bathroom. Got enough depth so the propeller's not rubbing on the bottom. So, let's see how we get on. Oh, I suspect I can fast forward this bit, can't I? This is not ideal, winding it up like this. Would have been handy to put a hook on the other end of the rubber band so you could wind it up directly. That should be enough for just going in the bath here. There, it works. I could certainly put more turns on there to make it go further. And if you really wanted it to go further, you would extend the rubber band, make that bit I've put underneath, make that twice as long, and you get twice as many turns on there easily. But that works. Like I say, I'll put a link in the video description. I seem to remember it was an experiment as to printing gears. So there's 3 gears in there. And it works like an outboard motor, or normally it would do. You'd fit that on the top and that would sit down there somewhere. But I just saw it in my junk pile and I thought I'd give it another outing before it goes in the bin. I do like these boats. I've got a few of them. I mean, obviously they're kiddies' toy boats, but I've used them for all sorts of things. That had an axle going through it and it had wheels on it. So it was a car. I think it was amphibious. The idea was it would go into water. Axle through there as well. I think it had paddles on it. Anyway, that's it. Another rubber band powered boat.